I'm going to show you how we can do it without using a tracing paper. So the task here is, first we need to rotate shape A 90 clockwise about the point -1, -1. So the point is here. That's the center of rotation to get shape B. So what does 90 clockwise says? So 90 clockwise rotation will be something like this. So I'm showing you the orientation of each and every point here. It needs to be following this order for clockwise. If it's anti-clockwise, it's the other way. So now take every point on this shape A, considering it from the center and making use of these rules, we can rotate the shape 90 clockwise. So okay, let's start from this point, or you can start from any point. That's totally okay. So if I'm starting from this point, now how is this point from center? It's like 1, 2, 3 units up and 2 units to the right. So 3 up and 2 right. How will this orient now? So 3 up, the arrow for up, just see the next arrow. So 3 up will be now 3 right. So this will be for a rotated shape. And 2 right will be 2 down. The next arrow will tell you how it should be transformed. So this will be 2 down. So from center, we will make use of these arrows now. So from center, you have to go 3 right, 1, 2, 3 right, and 2 down. So this point is transformed to this position now after 90 clockwise rotation. We will do the same thing for other points as well. So now if I'm considering this point here, so from center, 1, 2, 3 up, 1, 2, 3 right. So 3 up and 3 right will now be transformed to 3 up will be 3 right and 3 right will be 3 down. So making use of this, from the center, 3 right and 3, so 1, 2, 3 and 1, 2, 3 down. It will be here. The last point, it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 up and 2 right. So 6 up and 2 right will be 6 right and 2 down, using the same transformation as we did. So from center now, 6 right, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 2 down, 1, 2. It goes in here. So now joining all these points to make the rotated shape B. Here we get the rotation of shape A after you've done it for 90 clockwise rotation. From the center, -1, -1. So you can use this method for any point, for any type of rotation.